Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the correct way and the incorrect way to polish your nails. So the first step is you have to remove your nail polish. Something that I've done just because I'm lazy. I don't remove my nail polish and I paint my nails over an old nail polish. Do not do that. That is a no-no. That is an incorrect way to paint your nails. You're going to remove your polish with any acetone or any nail polish remover and a cotton round. As easy as it sounds, it really is. Apply any coconut oil or any cuticle cream that you have to push back your cuticles. You want to push back your cuticles because it just looks nicer. Your cuticles won't be peeling. So important to do this before polishing your nails. Do not, incorrect way to do it is to cut your cuticles. Do not cut your cuticles because that could cause an infection. So the correct way would be to push it back. You can do it with a special tool or you can use your nails. Something that I used to do in the past, and that's because I didn't know. I used to file my nails like crazy. Do not do that. You can break your nails. They're gonna be so fragile. Do it in one direction only. Left to left, right to right. No, this is not the electric slide song. I don't know why I thought of that right now. You're going to wash your hands just to remove any dead skin or anything from your cuticles, anything that's left. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get some alcohol. You're going to put it on a sponge and you're going to dab it on your nails. Why? Because this is going to remove all the natural oils that your nails produce, because we all produce natural oils. And then if we don't do this step or if we skip it, the nail polish is not going to last as long, or any design that you do on your nails. Apply any base coat of your choice, and this is to protect your nails from any staining or from the polish that you're going to be applying on top. Then you're going to also apply a little bit of that base coat on the end of your nail. You're going to do the same with a nail polish. The way that I paint my nails is I just get a nail polish and I use the thick brushes because my nails are long. It's just easier and so much faster for me to paint my nails. I dab like a little dot and then I kind of push my nail brush a little bit to the top, close to my cuticle, and I drag it down. I paint it once again on the left and on the right and also at the tip, and this is so the polish won't peel as easily. Two things that I've done incorrectly is I paint polish and then I paint over it and then I paint it again, so I'm painting too many coats and then it peels off and it just doesn't look right and it never dries. That is a no-no, something incorrect. You're going to apply any top coat of your choice. I like to use a fast drying top coat just because I want my polish to dry fast. I don't want to wait that long. And don't be checking to see if your polish is dry. That's another no-no. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.